Are you someone who loves buying cosmetics but always end up having the wrong kind of shade and wrong kind of formula? Or maybe you have also encountered some fake products buying online or maybe offline as well. Then this video is definitely for you, because I'll be sharing all the authentic places and from where you can actually buy the actual real products from the brands, and also never end up buying the wrong shades for yourself. And also the importance of offline and online shopping of cosmetics, when, where and how these both are effective and actually work for you. So if you're interested, keep watching this video till the end. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanyaa Surana and I like to call myself a connector of possibilities. I'm also a professional makeup artist and educator, a makeover and bridal consultant. In this video, I will be clearing all your doubts and questions around online and offline shopping of cosmetics, because I'm someone who has done both and who has all the kind of experiences anybody can have out of both of these shopping experiences. And here I am in this video to share that with you, so that you become more aware before buying your cosmetics, maybe online or offline, and you can never end up investing your money in the wrong places and on the wrong products. So first, begin with a point where there will be a case where you will be buying a product for the first time, and there will be one case where you will be buying the product like a repeat buy of the same product. Okay, so whenever you buy a product first time, you want to try a product for the first time, I will suggest you always go for a physical offline mode of purchasing, because that will give you that power to try that product, the formula, the color. You can try it out, you can see whether it is meant for you or not. Even if you are a professional, you can always check the formula and try it out on your face, on your hands, or wherever it is possible, to at least be confident before buying that product. So I will always suggest you buying any new product always offline. Now there will be a high chance that a lot of the products which you want to buy, there is no physical store out there, right? Then what is possible in that case? So for that, I have shared a lot of links, authentic links, and vendors who can provide you authentic products for sure, because I also buy from them and I have been buying since really long. And including me, a lot of other artists, all the renowned artists, they also buy from them and they are really authentic. So check all those links in the description box below to buy anything, any international brand which you don't find in your city or in your country, and you can feel free to buy from there. Now if you talk about the colors and the shade selection and everything, I would recommend you to go on YouTube and search for those product reviews. Don't only see one review and make your decision. At least try 5-7 reviews of people whom you really trust and whose reviews you really trust. So check out their reviews internationally also, and also from India. If you're from India, then also from your country as well, because sometimes people from your country will give you more awareness and more clarity around the shades and whether that will suit you as a citizen of that country or not. That is something which can really help you if you see reviews from the people who are in your country as well. And I will also recommend to check the reviews from the international creators as well who review products. So that is one way to get little more clarity around it. And also one more thing, that you have to check whether that is a paid content creation or not, because most of the time, of course, in a paid content creation, they will tell the good things about the product. Even if they know there are a lot of minuses and cons of that product, still they will highlight the pros more than the cons, of course, for obvious reasons. So, and I don't want your money to go into something which you will regret buying. So please see that even in such cases, I have seen that small creators, those are not very much successful. They do a lot of good and authentic reviews as well. The entire offline shopping thing, first rule is, if you have the brand store, whatever brand you need to buy, if that brand store is there in your city, please go to the brand store, try the product and buy. So that will save you from, first of all, having the authentic product, because in the brand store, of course, you'll not end up buying any fake product. Second, you will always know that which shade you are buying, so of course you'll be very assured about your purchase and you know that you have invested your money on the right product. So if you're buying physically and offline, then these are the two things and the ways which you should follow. One extra bonus point which I would like to highlight over here, there are a lot of stores which are like a multi-brand store, or maybe how I can say general store kind of stores, which also sell cosmetics of different brands, I have found sometimes, and a lot of my students have found that they sell fake products. Okay, so I never go to these stores. Yes, there are few renowned and branded stores who are authentic, but again, why you need to experiment until unless you are very much sure about it? And if you ask me, I always go to the individual brand stores and then I buy the products. That's the most hassle-free, tension-free way of buying offline products. Now let's talk about online shopping. Now online shopping is great if you're buying a product which you want to buy repeat. You know, you're doing a repeat buy, you already know the brand, you have already used it, you already know the shade, then it's a good deal to, you know, buy, you go for the online option. And when I talk about online, there is a disclaimer that please avoid shopping your on cosmetics, especially from Amazon, Flipkart, when, you know, where they show that 50% off, 70% off, 80% off. So normally, usually, I'm not generalizing it, but usually they are fake. You know, when and how you can check this? So when you find a particular international brand which never offers discount, or maybe they offer a discount, it's hardly 10 or 20% max, apart from that huge sale or something, and you are getting those same products like on like 70-80% off on these websites, trust me, it is fake. Okay, itna discount mein nahi milta hai, so please understand that. So always, yes, you can try Nykaa. Even in Nykaa, please be aware, because I have encountered 2-3 times fake products. Even my students have got few fake products, especially when there is a huge sale and the products are at huge discount. There is a risk of getting fake products. I'm not generalizing again, but sometimes yes, it is. So please be aware of that. And if you want to buy online, because online is the only option, wherever you stay you can't go offline and buy products, then I will suggest you only 2 authentic places from where you can buy the authentic products. One is the individual website of the individual brand, their own brand website. Of course, you will not get fake from there. And the second is definitely you can check out all the links which I have linked below, because these are the places. These are like Instagram stores where they are like doing this from quite a long time, and I also buy from them, and they are quite authentic, so you can be assured. I have selected and shortlisted few of them so that you don't get confused, and these are the authentic places you can buy from here. So this is all about, you know, from where to where, because this was one of the questions which a lot of you have asked me, and a lot of my students, this is one of the common questions they ask me, ma'am please bataiye ki offline खरीदना चाहिए या online खरीदना चाहिए. You can buy both. Okay, there is nothing right and wrong and good and bad about online and offline shopping, but you have to be aware कि आप क्या खरीद रहे हो, which brand you are buying, which shade you are buying, is it a first time buy, is it a repeat buy, and you know, what is the brand. Again, it really creates a difference. Okay, so these are both the ways how you can buy, and I really hope that I answered your questions around this online and offline shopping of cosmetics, and it was helpful for you. So if you want any such videos further and any suggestion, you know, I have tons of content and sometimes it becomes very confusing कि कौन सा मैं पहले बनाऊँ कौन सा बाद में बनाऊँ video. So if any of you have any questions regarding these, please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely consider creating videos on that. So this was all about this video. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle. So this is my Instagram handle where I share my bridal work and professional work pictures and makeovers, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, empowerment related content, so you may like that as well. And if you really want to stay updated about all my self makeup workshops, professional makeup workshops, and all my consultation process and everything, keep an eye on my story, because that is the place where I update everything, whatever it is, the upcoming classes and everything is updated there. So keep an eye on my story to stay updated. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like the video if you haven't already, and share this video if you have anybody who is also in this dilemma of where to buy cosmetics. This video can be really helpful for them as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful.